You start eating pomegranates daily. Boosts immunity. Pomegranates are a superfood, and most people have no idea why. This fruit is packed with powerful antioxidants that help fight inflammation, boost your heart health, improve blood flow, and even support glowing skin. Just one serving can help your body heal from the inside out. Here's why you should start eating pomegranates today. Supports heart health, reduces inflammation, improves brain function, helps skin glow. This fruit is basically nature's medicine. Stop scrolling. Pomegranates are a hidden superfood. Eating this daily can change your body. Doctors love this fruit for a reason. Pomegranates aren't just tasty, they're one of the most powerful superfoods on Earth, full of antioxidants, heart-supporting nutrients, and glow-boosting benefits. Would you try this superfruit? Comment